Today in the grain markets, soybeans were lower. There's uncertainty about the USDA report coming up next week, and it's continuing to press futures down for the third day in a row. And it's moved lower to the lower end of this month-long channel that we have been in. Today we had a 12-cent range. The futures did start higher and then went a little bit lower from there. January was down 6.75 cents to 11.18, and March got down to 11.28 before all is said and done. Option open interest sold off 4,100 calls, bought up 1,700 puts to really make the imbalance go a little bit further, with only 188,000 open interest on the call side against 244,000 on the put side. That's just something we're going to be looking at as we go forward. CVOL for the soybeans is at 15.3%, with the oil at 26 and the meal at 21%. Today, corn was down, with the Brazil production forecast to remain unchanged. I mean, that is basically what the projection is going to be. But a bullish WASDE report next week would turn it around pretty quickly. So today while we're lower, the market overall is sideways. March was down 7.25 cents. We got down to 442.75, with May getting down to 450.25. Option open interest there has more calls and puts, so we're kind of the opposite of what the soybeans were, with 233,000 on the call side versus 184,000 on the put side. Just something to watch again. So we have like some mixed signals on these two grains. CVOL for the corn is at 14.7%. Wheat today was lower on increased production in Australia. It's weighing on futures today, but trade action is really straight sideways. For the past 2 weeks, we have stayed in a pretty tight channel and just continued to just hold support. I guess we've reached a particular equilibrium for wheat prices right now. March was down 3.75 cents today to 537.25, with May getting down to 544.25. We did add 26 to the calls and 1,000 to the put side, so there is some migration of options moving over to that March contract. CVOL for the wheat is at 21%.